Wow. Good morning. Houdoe. Guten Morgen, daar ben ik mal. Oh, can take this off. Yeah, day 2. It's about just before 10, a little bit later than I anticipated, but the packing up of the bike also takes at least half an hour, right, to pack everything in the bag. Anyhow, on to Batbook. Here we are. Now back on the official route. This part is still paved. Riding to the Sauerland. Looks really nice, idyllic. And in a few kilometers we will hit the gravel again. See you later. So it's back in the forest again. That was a pretty nice climb to over 700 meters. Still going a bit up here. I think the highest point on the total route is 820 or something. So it's not much that higher to go. So the thing is, for this afternoon, major thunderstorms have been forecasted. So a bit worried about that. Let's see. Perhaps I'm lucky. Perhaps I have to take shelter for half an hour, 2 hours, I don't know. Let's see! Adventure! Now this is perfect riding again. Split up the GPS track of the total route in two and just finished the first part. Just loaded the second one. And I think this is also the most eastern point on the route in Winterberg, or near Winterberg. It's 3 kilometers to Winterberg. So let's go west again. Houdoe! So is this the highest point perhaps? 884 meters. Kalen Asten. Definitely a nice view. Yeah, let's check the stats afterwards. So from the highest point I'm directed to this nice unpaved trail. It's gonna be a fun downhill. Howdy! that is a really dark cloud, but so far it's the only one around, and I do not hear any thunder yet. So, and here the sun is still shining. Let's hope this one blows over. Hello again. So over here the road surface is pretty wet. So here they must have had some of this rain and thunderstorms, but now it's nice and sunny again. So yeah, until now I'm really lucky. I heard thunder only once in the distance and some few drops of rain, but nothing serious. So keeping my fingers crossed that it remains like that. Howdo! Hello, so here we are in Batbook. I just had the sandwiches I bought this morning in the shop. Let's see the stats, 69 kilometers done today so far, so yeah, a little bit over 10 more to go I think. One more big hill to get over through as far as I can remember, and then I'll be at my hotel. So I hope the restaurant is open, otherwise I'll be eating peanuts tonight. Yeah, I'm being really lucky with the weather. Yeah, I've seen very dark clouds around me. I've seen very wet roads and paths. But myself, I had 2 or 3 raindrops that fell on top of me. I want to have Raquel Welch dropped on top of me.
And have Raquel Welch dropped on top of me.
She's got a big bottom.
But anyhow, yeah, and that was it. So very, very lucky. I guess tomorrow I will get wet, but oh, that's nice. Yes. Phew. Scared me for a bit when I saw that fence, but we can go through. Yeehaw. So this looks more like home on a winter day. I think I'll walk.
I know your history of days gone by. Don't you flirt with me or roll those eyes I see that keep on tempting me to hold you tight. Your heart I try to win you.
So this is getting pretty off the beaten track.
Now you still think that I'm your fool, but baby I've got a news for you. No more crying over you. Let me introduce you to an educated fool. Hey. You can talk so being, 'cause I know you.
Just another nice walk at the end of the day. Yeah, it's all in a day's work for bicycle repairman.
Now anyone can see that you've been cheating on me. Do you think that I'm your fool? But baby I've got a news for you. No more crying over you. Let me introduce you to an educated fool.
This is a nice room. Oh my god. Minibar. Krombacher Pilz 1,50 €. Das ist nicht so teuer. Oder bien. Was ist drin?
Educated.
Hallo? Ben je blind of zo?